these parts of the land.
The work is tough, but my wife is tougher. This is the only place I can come to relax and have a glass of
Your
booze.
persona reminds me very much of an old friend of mine. Chode, I believe his name was. Yes, he was a very old and dear friend.
Ah, yes. Crone Malone. It rings a bell. I was the one who gave him lupus, you see. Let me just list the reasons why I gave him lupus, because I wasn't a fan of him. 1. He had woman hair. 2. Acne like a gross man. 3. He was just... 4. I did not like Crone Malone for 1 single second.
Chode, long time no see.
I have lupus. It's going to kill me.
What?